This is an unboxing of FIFINE technology condenser microphone. This is actually my second FIFINE technology condenser microphone. This is just going to be an unboxing. If you want to check out the full review of this microphone that I did on this, I'll leave it up top here somewhere. But let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing. Got some literature here, user's guide. And this actually comes in two colors, the black and the purple, or I believe that's lavender also. Put that right there. Some more FIFINE technology literature. As I said before, I got this in black. I'll put that over here. See what we got here. Got your USB. Of course, this is USB type A. Comes with a little tripod. Take this and screw it on here like this. Again, if you want to see a full review on this, you can just click the card. Got a nice length cord right here. Let's go around and talk about it. Definitely a metal construction. All of this is metal. You got your volume control right here. Overall, I like this mic a lot, and this is my second one that I did purchase. And again, if you want to check out a full review, I will leave a link in the description, and if you want to purchase this, I will leave a link in the description. Again, FIFINE condenser microphone. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like unboxings and videos like this, consider subscribing. Until the next video, peace out.